Tyros is a revolutionary IT company that allows individuals to generate income. You can multiply your income 1,000 times once you become our investing business partner. We offer you an opportunity to create a new trend and earn income together with our application created for professional network marketers. Anyone can become a Tyros partner by a minimum of $10. Share the application with your friends and receive one of 25,000 shares of the company for every 40 registrations. Our generous compensation plan helps to refer new partners in our business. When you select a package easy and purchase it once for $10, you can earn thousands of dollars. If you're ambitious and pass all 9 rings, your income will grow up to a few $1,000s a month. You will be able to earn more income with packages medium and hard. Why must you consider our company? Participation in a unique compensation plan with business rings. Earning commissions by launching and developing a mobile messenger, plus receiving a certain percentage from its growth. Legitimacy and transparency as an office program in different cities. Incentives and tours to different countries for active partners. Educational system for each partner at no cost. Tyros is a unique system that generates income. Join us now and reach a new level of financial freedom.
Friends, in today's video I am going to share you a plan which is very unique and different. You have never seen such a different plan before. This system is running from Russian country from the past 4 years and now it's open for all over the world. One can earn huge income with very less investment from this business plan. Company name is Tyros and website is Tyros Ltd. You can view the website and see all the details there. This company invest in various sectors with different portfolios, and whomsoever join with this company with just $10, he gets license to work and refer people across the world, and he gets the income with his team. To join Tyros you can contact top leaders or the person who has shared you this video, or you can check the description of this video below. Please watch this video till the end so that you can understand how this system works. This plan is different, so please watch till the end of this video and do not skip the video. So let's start the plan now. The plan starts with business rings. You will see here 4 different types of rings: easy, medium, hard and grand. You can take entry into the system with just $10. The investment of $10 can be done by Perfect Money or by Bitcoin. Friends, here you do not have to invest in the bigger package in initial phase. When you have earned sufficient income from the system, then you can activate bigger packages. Also, you have to join this plan with just $10 only, and I am going to explain you about $10 easy plan only. So as soon as you join with $10 you get position in the first ring. Every pool has 10 rings starting from 1 up to 10. As soon as you enter in ring number 1, so 4 positions will be opened in your ring. It's very important thing to know that you have to refer minimum 2 persons with your ID, so that your rings can move, otherwise you may stuck up, because this is a working plan. And also the persons whom you have referred, please tell them to duplicate the same with at least 2 persons. So as soon as 4 persons come under you, your first ring gets completed and you earn $30. This $30 you cannot withdraw, because your ID goes to ring 2, whose cost is $30. So it means as soon as your 4 positions are filled you will not get withdrawal, but your ID will go to next ring automatically. Friends, like this way, when you reached ring 2 after having 4 persons in your ring 1, same way your people will also complete their 4 persons and will follow you in your ring 2. And again 4 positions will be filled by these persons in your ring number 2 and you will earn $90. And from this $90 your ID will automatically goes to ring number 3 for $50. Out of $90, $50 goes for your ID in ring number 3, $10 goes back for your reinvest ID, and remaining $30 you can withdraw instantly anytime. That means as soon as you complete your second ring, so you will get your first withdrawal of $30. You have invested $10 and you earn 3 times means $30. This income does not end here. This is just the starting. This income will count on you again and again. Now your 1 ID is there in ring number 1, and as and when working starts in downline your ID will again goes to ring number 2. And when it is filled you will earn $90. But as your ID has already moved to ring number 3. So this time you have the option to withdraw $80. Rest $10 will reinvest back to give you one more position in ring number 1. So like this way you will earn $80 again and again. Now let's move further as your ID is in ring 3 now, and when your team will complete their ring 2 they will follow you in your ring number 3, so here you will earn $150, and as soon as you earn $150 it goes to ring number 4. And when your 4th ring gets complete you will get $450. Out of which $300 will invest in ring number 5. And in ring number 3 your ID will be created with $50. And you will earn $100 first time, from ring number 4, which you can withdraw in your perfect money account without any deductions. But in second time when you complete your 4th ring you will not be going to invest $300 from your $450. Because you have already taken this position and this formula is implemented in all the rings. So during second time you will always earn more than your first time earnings. And due to this re-entry your income will never stops and you will get income again and again as you move further in the rings. Friend, let's see how practically it works. This is you in the center of the ring. As soon as you take position in Tyrus, the above 2 circles which you see have been referred by you as your first 2 sponsors. This is your direct referrals, and when your first referred persons bring someone direct from his ID, he will be placed in his first position and the same person will be shown in your 3rd position also. And the pink color indicates this one, and the person in your right side in position number 2, when refer his direct it will be placed in his ID at number 1 position, but same way this ID will also be shown in your ring as position number 4. This is shown as yellow color. Now it seems that you have clearly understood the positions of the rings. Also very important thing is that you may get IDs from your upline, your downline and their downlines too. And if your downline completes his ring before you, he will bypass you and move upward in your ring. I mean to say that the person who is working hard in this system will definitely move ahead. Even above his 3 to 4 sponsors also. This is the beauty of this system. Junior will also become senior of his senior anytime with his capability. This is a very unique plan ever seen before. Friends, in linear premiums you will see you will earn up to 5 levels from your team. From first line you will earn 3%, and from second and third level 2%, and from 4th and 5th level 1%. There are rewards also in carriers. And when you complete your ring 6 your status become director, and here company will give you $100. After completing ring number 8 your status will become regional director and you will get Apple iPhone. And when you complete your ring number 10 you will get world tour. Withdrawals are in perfect money. And the special thing is that there is no deductions at all. And you can withdraw minimum $5 anytime, and even if you withdraw $5.10 you will get $5.10 within seconds in your perfect money wallet. There is no time limit. Friend, if you wish to join Tyrus you will get TYHE link below this video. And you can become partner of this company. How do you like this business? Let me know. If you like my video please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Please like and subscribe the video and share this video so that maximum persons can get benefit from this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. God bless.